Look on the screen. Look right to the right of my YouTube handle, and you'll see there is a join button. Now, why did I put that join button there? I've turned on YouTube membership. Now, this is not going to impact my channel in any negative way for people who decide not to join the membership. You will keep getting the YouTube videos that I create for you. My purposefully designed answers to the questions that I get about how to use LinkedIn as a business tool, how to use LinkedIn for career search, how to use Sales Navigator and Business Premium. I'm going to continue creating that same content, and everybody will still be able to get value from those, whether or not you join the membership or not. However, for those who join the membership, I'm going to create some extra videos. For those who join the membership, I'm going to create extra content. If you join the membership, not only will I give you more information and more help, but I'm also going to be able to continue doing what I promised to do for you, and that is to create YouTube videos that help you use LinkedIn as a business tool. Use LinkedIn for your career search. Look, I've got to update my MacBook Pro. I've got to renew my subscription with Sales Navigator and LinkedIn Premium. I've got to renew my subscription to Deposit Photos. I've got to renew my subscription to Camtasia and Audio Hero and Text Expander and Dropbox and Google Docs, and I have to buy myself a new microphone. These are expensive things for me to do. I will keep doing those. But what I'm hoping is that you think there's enough value in my videos to become a member. Please consider joining the membership so that I can help you even more, and you can help me to continue doing what I'm committed to doing, which is creating YouTube videos for you that create value for you. Thank you very much.